Now we're going to get into the meat and bones of Photoshop in the sense that this tool right here is what really makes Photoshop so unique. It's called the eyedropper tool. When you click over a region, you see this circle. Okay, I'm going to move it into the black, and now you see that the top of the circle's color begins to change. This allows us to set our palette at a certain color. So the black below shows me what I had selected when I let go. So you may be able to see that gray. Now when I click again, it's that gray. So it allows me to mess with the different shades of colors, for lack of a better term. So you can see, like, as I go through the foot, how there are different shades of yellow. I can go deeper into the foot and you can notice that the yellow is darker. Or given that penguin that look that it's lighter, he's lighter up here. When you get closer into his head, it's a lot darker. So you can see these different color transitions that makes the eyedropper tool very unique. So for example, if I wanted to go in, I'm going to zoom in on the penguin. I want to get the rest of his foot to be the same as the lighter color. So I'm going to use the eyedrop tool. Now notice up here in the left hand corner, I'm going to do this again with a different color. Notice this swatch right here, this piece of color. Watch it change when I let go or when I'm over the eyedrop tool. It is establishing what colors are making that color. So that is allowing us to make it so we can make a region the way we want to. That's that tool for that. You also have the 3D material tool, which is, this is not a 3D image, so it's not allowing us to use it. The color sampler tool, which allows us to pull a sample and pull out information, as you see it popping up here, about these particular colors that we're over. So that way we can perfectly match all of our shades. We also have the ruler tool, which allows us to measure particular coordinates, height, width of our line. You can notice how our ruler is changing here a little bit, so we can make it so each side of the penguin is 0.752 inches away. Go to the other side. So our penguin symmetric. Oh, you gotta make sure you get it in the right spot. Yeah, he's pretty close. So that ruler tool allows you to do more with your ruler. There's a note tool. Allows you to add notes about the image. So I could say, I could notate the color coordinations, R, G, and B. R stands for red, G stands for green, and B stands for blue. Those are your three primary colors, in case you forgot from elementary art class, that allow you to create all the other colors of the world. So if you take a look, if we go back to our eyedrop tool, remember, white is the presence of all colors, because you see on the left hand or the right hand side that everything is at 255. So all the color is present. And black, true black, if I can find it here somewhere, we'll find it pretty close, would be the absence of all color. So I'm having a little trouble getting rid of my green or blue. But you get the idea. That would be true black. And then the count tool allows us to count certain points and potentially, yeah, it just allows us to notate certain points that we can count around the penguin here. Some of them you can see, some of them you can't. Can't really see the ones on the light, but I was able to note up my penguin pretty good. So the main tool you're going to use from this region is going to be the eyedropper tool to match up your colors. So when you go to paint, they should be the same color, except my penguin is locked right now, so I have to unlock my penguin again. So I just will show you how to do that again. File, duplicate from layer, and now, oop, wrong tool. There's my paintbrush. Now I'm able to paint my penguin. I'll show you how to change some stuff here. Arr, mean penguin.